cogs turn round and round. Pistons push up and pistons push down. Belt will spin around and around and around. No, something's wrong with my tractor. No, it's stopped. My tractor's stopped. Hey, maybe it's the engine. Let's go and take a look. Let's open up the engine bonnet first. Let's check the cogs. Now, the cogs have these special teeth all the way around the wheels, and they slot together when they move. If they don't slot together when they move, the engine would have some problems. Thanks, Kelly Cog. Your cogs seem to be fine. Now, how about the pistons? Pistons push up and pistons push down. Well, the pistons are pushing up and down. Can't see any problem there. Thanks, Tim Piston. Well, everything seems to be working. Or maybe it's the belts. Now, the belts have a special pair of wheels. And they sort of work together as a team. And they're joined together by a belt, just like this one. Stops one from speeding up from one another. Round and around. No, I can't see any problem there. And the belt's pretty tight. Thanks, Kathleen Beltwheels. Thanks, Kathleen Beltwheels.
Sorry.
Let's try and start it up one more time. Well, maybe it's not the engine. Maybe my tractor's out of petrol. Yeah, let's go and fill it up. Glug, 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 glug. Excellent. Tractor's full of petrol. Let's go and check it out. See what the problem is. Music to my ears. The engine goes shudder, rattle and sputter. Cogs turn round and round. Pistons push up and pistons push down. Belt will spin around and around and around. Whoops. I think we're ready to roll. Wrong way. The engine goes shudder, rattle and sputter. Cogs turn round and round. Pistons push up and pistons push down. Belt will spin around and around and around. Oh no.